Ukrainian forces have launched another strategic strike, this time targeting the Crimea Bridge using an underwater drone. From its shape, it appears to resemble a torpedo. Ukrainian forces have been showcasing their underwater drone capabilities for quite some time. According to the SBU, Ukraine's intelligence service, a warhead weighing approximately 1,100 kilograms detonated at the base of one of the bridge pillars. However, the bridge remained standing, and vehicle traffic was not disrupted. So, how did the bridge withstand the blast? The foundation of the structure is primarily made up of clusters of pile blocks, with several located beneath each pier. The explosion may have damaged only one or two of these piles, which allowed the bridge to maintain its stability. Although the impact caused oscillations in the structure, the bridge is engineered to tolerate vibrations. While the attack may not have succeeded in disabling the bridge, it still serves as a strong demonstration of Ukrainian underwater strike capability.